So many ladies get biased about their mother-in-laws even before marriage. You find that someone prefers to get married to a man who doesn't have parents because they fear that mother-in-law is going to torture me, mother-in-law is not going to like me, and etc. and etc. And so many times we have thought that these mother-in-laws are very hard, like they cannot be friends to us. That is very wrong, because in today's video, I'm going to give you some of the ways you can influence your mother-in-law to love you. These ways have helped me, they have helped some of my friends, and they can help you too. You are welcome to my YouTube channel, Marriage Tips with Asperia. The first one is regular communication. Always make a phone call to your mother-in-law. Any relationship that doesn't have communication is dead. Think about you with your partner. If you take days without communicating, what happens to your marriage? Likewise, if you take months and a lot of time without speaking with your mother-in-law, you don't get in her mind. She doesn't even think about you. Even you don't think about her. This is your mother, for God's sake. Because God says when you get married, you become one with your partner, and his mother becomes your mother. So you need to care and think about her just like your own personal mother. Call her always. Visit her if you have time. Go and check on her. Maybe I've come to see how are you doing. It's a long time since we last met. It's a long time since we last talked. Are you well? Are you fine? Maybe she's sick. Call her and comfort her. They will always feel special. I know that my daughter-in-law loves me, and they will love you. And is be real to yourself. So many times when we go to our mother-in-laws, we want to behave differently. We want to dress differently. There are those dresses we have kept, like we are going to put them on when we are going to see our mother-in-laws or our father-in-laws. And maybe when you go to her home, you are so hardworking, like you want to wash the chicken, wash the cows, wash the garden. You want to work and do everything. But in reality, that's not your true character. Now, there's something that cannot be faked, and that is character. Maybe you are not this type who likes long dresses, but then when you're going to her home, you put them on. But when she finds you accidentally in a supermarket, you are moving in a biker, and then she will be like, this is this. My son married a prostitute, and then they start talking. Now, make this mother love you the way you are. Don't hide anything. If you're not this person who likes long dresses, don't wear them when she's around. Just make her get used to your character. If she doesn't like something on you, let her tell you that dress isn't nice on you, and change it. But if you are not real to yourself, you're going to get a lot of issues. Maybe she will come to your house and find the whole house dirty, and then she'll be like, my son married a dirty wife who doesn't bathe, doesn't wash. But when you're at her home, you want to pretend that you are so hardworking. So being real will help her, will help you to get genuine love. The second thing is regular. 3, seek her opinions, her advice. Every mother wants to have a voice in her daughter's life. Now, make this mother know that you care about her. Maybe when you got married, you got pregnant, and this is your mother. Call her. Mommy, I'm pregnant, but I'm over vomiting. I don't know what to do. I'm not eating. Mommy, I want to eat this, but make her know that you really count on her. Make her know that you appreciate her advice. Even though you may not follow all of them, but let this woman know that my daughter-in-law knows that I am important in her life. Always give her a listening ear. When she comes to your house and maybe your daughter has done something and she's trying to talk, don't shut her. Listen to her and always give her attention. It is going to make her love you. Trust me, every person who listens to you loves you. 4, buy her regular gifts. Now, every person understands the language of gifts. Gifts are very good. Now, sometimes your mother-in-law may not like your appearance. Sometimes they will criticize you or talk bad about you, especially on your physical appearance. My son married a short woman. My son married, this and that and that. But to win her over to you, You have to give her materialistic things. Buy her a phone, buy her a clothes, buy her something. Identify what she doesn't have in her house. Save some money and buy her something. It may not even need to be too expensive, but it can win her heart over to you. Practice giving your mother-in-law gifts. If it is a birthday and maybe no one has ever celebrated her, please do. If you have some money, take her out. Let her eat chicken. Make her feel special. And trust me, even if she hates you to which extent, she will like you. Lastly, don't be friends with her enemies. Now, so many times I have observed that these mothers have their somehow personal issues in a village with a neighbor, with this and this, maybe her co-wife, maybe this and that. And so if you find she has an issue with this person, that person shouldn't be your closest friend because she will always think about what are you discussing. That will cause a lot of enmity between you and your mother-in-law. Not enter into battles that do not belong to you. Always stay in your lane. It's okay. Don't hate this person because your mother-in-law doesn't like them. But don't show your mother-in-law that you love this person more than her. So don't enter into battles that are not going to be beneficial to you. And with that, and so many other things can be added to this video. If you have some, you can add them in the comment section. But those things have helped me to be in a good relationship with my mother-in-law. They can help you too. I believe you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, kindly subscribe if you haven't yet. I love you so much. Till next time, bye.